What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I want to share with you guys one of my investment strategies that made me 100% in one day. But I believe until you learn it, it's something that you can do to make you 100% on your money in at least 6 months. Class will be in session today. I got a jam-packed video, so please keep it locked. Also, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, AMD, ticker symbol AMD, sitting currently at 203. It was up $10 on the day. Really quick note, really quick caveat. Whenever I buy a stock and I am long on the stock, what is long, coach? Long just means you think the stock price will go up and appreciate over time. Okay, so you'll buy a stock, like for instance, I got this at $52. I got this at $100. Okay, because I always believe that it will go higher in price. That is thinking it's going long. Okay, but lateral to buying a stock and buying shares and investing in my companies that I know, like, and love, or that I believe in, guys, I always buy options as well. So if I believe the stock will go up in price, I also buy a call option to do the same thing, because the call option can expedite the process. With that being said, guys, check this out. This one was up alone 5% in the day. Now check out the option. Every stock that I buy shares in, I also buy options of. Okay, now I often tell you and teach you guys about this stock will double. That was a video title that I coined. That is a staple of one of my hallmark videos that I have been put out on YouTube. It was never before a title. Now it's one that you see various content creators use. That's neither here nor there, but I was building out my Joe Rogan empire. So I have certain titles in which I teach and talk about these things. And if you've been with me since 2020, you know many plays have doubled. Now, whether or not somebody took profit or anything like that and the stock has come down over the years, that's a different discussion. But I'm talking about calling these plays out and the fact that they will double in share price. But the other thing that I talk about when I say this stock will double is this right here. This is the same exact play that I bought shares in. This is the option. Let's go through AMD. This was an AMD 200 call. This is how you can double your money. So whether you had $20,000, $10,000, $100, or $100,000, watch this. We had 100 contracts on this, guys. My average cost was $105. Okay, I bought it 3/1. Okay, that was Friday. It expired 3/1. Okay, so when I talk about this stock will double, yes, the share over time, I always give a 3 to 6 month time frame or a 3-year window for that to happen. In that time frame, I don't miss. Okay, I don't miss. But when I also say that and I give you guys plays, this is possible. Average cost was 105. Okay, we took this to 212 by the time we close out the position for good. Okay, check out the return on this and you tell me, did this stock double? Was I right about labeling it that this stock will double? And is 100%, 100+% a double up? Okay, we took away $10,000, over $10,000 in one day. I'm not talking about that whole long wait till you 63 years old, wait till you 72 years old to see your money double. I'm talking about if you jumped into this play that I called in Discord, whether you had 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, buying at the same level I bought at today. This happened all in one day. That's the power of this. Now, until you put in the work, the time, and reach my level of expertise in this game, I say, regardless if you're on my level, this could be done in a 3 to 6 month time frame too. I'm gonna give you guys a play later on today that's gonna do it next. Okay, more like 3 to 6 months from now. Okay, but I just want you to see this stock doubled in one day. My investment strategy was allowed me to make this 100% return in one day. Yep, I can do this in 1 year. I can do this in 1 week. But I'm also showing you guys I can do this in one day. When you are around in these finance parlets and you hearing people talk, make sure they don't leave my name out as being one of the ones that really do this, okay? I sometimes hear the chatter and I feel like, man, do I need to pop out a little bit more? Because I don't know if everybody, whether you're on different platforms than this one or wherever you guys might be, really know who's really putting it down consistently and can show you their stuff every single day. But more importantly, helping others do the same. It's one thing to do it yourself, but it's a whole different thing when you can teach people how to fish and get real results for people. So I just wanted to show and share this with you guys on today, continuing the lessons on our 100K challenge, okay? Hopefully this inspires you, but more importantly, hopefully this shows you what's possible. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Okay, guys, I have this 5-minute chart pulled up on Apple, and for teaching purposes, I want to show you this is a $10,000 play or 20K play if you have 200 contracts, okay? Now check this out. You should see this pattern often, okay? On Friday morning, before I even hit AMD out the park, I played this move right here. This 1348 crossover, it went to the downside, and I rode Apple all the way down here, okay? And then I exit. This was my exit right here. I took profit, okay? And so I took profit here. Then the stock came up. This is one of my plays, but I let it go that time. That is a bear flag. It already tells me the stock was going to go down. But Apple likes to hit you with the ooh-wop. This is a bear trap right there. And this used to be the #1 play I lost on. Okay, but this time, years of doing this, I learned my lesson. Now check this out. I avoided the bear trap this time, thank God. But this is a $10,000 or $20,000 play in a day. This is what I'm trying to teach you how to do it. Yeah, somebody could did it on AMD, but somebody also could have did it on Apple. From here to here, that's a 40-point move or $4,000. Okay. Just so you know, you got in here at 12:30 and you took this here to 1 o'clock. That was a 40-point move, okay? However, if you hold through this and you catch this move to this resistance level, that, ladies and gentlemen, is your 10K move or the equivalent of 100 plus points, okay? Typically, when you see this pattern, I want you guys to watch this twice for this lesson. Typically, when you see this pattern, if you didn't get trapped down here, okay, you can take this, boom. Once it gets inside this 13 EMA, it went up, retest, and then boom, went to this 48, traded sideways, and then boom, like a rocket. Overshot it a little bit before it came back down. Hopefully, this is making a move so it can go up to the upside for next week. We shall see. But listen, guys, that's just the lesson that I wanted to share with you all in terms of 10 or 20K plays in a day. That's if you have 100 contracts like me. So you just do the math. I have 100 or 200 contracts per play. So if you had 50 contracts, you just do the math. If you had 10 contracts, you do the math. 25, 10, 5, so on and so forth, okay? But I just want to show you this is possible. This is how you can double your money in one day. This is an investment as well as a trading strategy that can double your money in one day. But if you learn this, even if you don't get it in one day, you definitely can get it within 3 to 6 months, okay? Let's go ahead and dive into some hot stocks for next week. Okay, guys, kicking it off with some other bangers for this upcoming week. SMCI, super microcomputer, guys, crossed over $1,000 once again. Look at this, sitting at $1,019. It was up $39 on the day, or a little bit over 4.5%. But in after hours, it went up $100 alone, or almost 12.5%. Look at this straight rocket ship. These plays has been going parabolic. This may have more room to run. This may also be a good short opportunity after it cools off, okay, just to ride it back to the downside, because it has to cool off at some point. Speaking of shorts, I closed my AMC short on Friday, okay, a little bit over $1,000. Not really much to write home about, but I wanted the capital because I saw plays like this. I saw plays like AMD. I saw plays like Apple that were actually moving when AMC was just sitting idle, okay, not taking part up or down. It just was just sitting there, okay. So SMCI, super microcomputer. Look for more momentum into next week. Do not jump in front of a moving train. Do what you can to get on the train, okay? Check this one out. Another one that's a banger is ARM, ticker symbol ARM. This one is sitting at $142. It was up 0.4%. And then another 0.28% in after hours, okay? I got my eye on this one as well. Right now, everything is to the upside, so the trend is your friend, and I'm going with the trend, okay? But I will let you guys know I do have these on my radar, looking for any pullback or any weakness or any sell-off in the market, because I expect these to be the leaders to the downside when that happens, okay? And then check this out. Remember, I just taught you guys the lesson with a stock that is going to do 100% in one day, or a stock that you can do 100% in 3 to 6 months. That's what I want you guys to focus on. Take the one day off the table. Is this one, okay? I see this going to around $35-40 from here, give or take, and the overshoot of that level will probably be more like a double up, okay? This one is sitting at $23.97. The ticker symbol on this one is PLTR. Guys, you already know we have been absolutely crushing in the Palantir. It had a little bit of weakness last week, but it bounced back towards the end of the week to end up over 4.5%, okay? And so we were making moves down to 22 on this, and then we finally got it to bounce off of 22, and then it made its way back up to 24, which we wanted to see. Make money in both directions, guys. Do not be afraid to do so. This will, again, potentially trade a little sideways in that $23 to $25 range. But when it break out, I want you guys to put 35 to 40. I want you to put 35. Let's just keep it conservative, okay? On your price target for this one, for the move up when it explodes. Always, anytime you hear me come on here and give you a target or a play will double or a play will move or a play will explode, always add within 3 to 6 months, okay? If we are lucky, it'll explode right shortly after we call it out, but I'm never banking on that. I'm always looking a little longer term or a little further out than that, okay? So guys, these are just a couple plays that's on my radar. And of course, AMD will continue to do its thing into next week. I think we can get at least high as 207 near term, and I'll be looking for that level at some point next week, if not as early as Monday, okay? Just wanted to put these on your radar in hopes that you guys continue to make money in your journey. You continue to make the right choices and decisions in the plays you are choosing to get into while managing your risk, okay? Listen, guys, I won't hold you up. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.